What kind of background checks do U.S. immigration officers run during the immigration application process? Well, what you can anticipate is that there's going to be an FBI background check, just double checking fingerprints and FBI databases to see if you show up there. They're going to run your name, date of birth, fingerprints, etc., definitely through national security databases where they're looking to see if you've been listed as a national security threat. In addition to that, they may look at state enforcement agencies, so basically state criminal databases, and as well as driving records. So with the DMV, you can definitely anticipate an FBI background check being run before any, especially permanent residence or naturalization or any application of that sort is approved. But what I tell everyone is all of these could be run. And on top of that, don't forget that it is the Department of Homeland Security in the US that administers a lot of the immigration benefits, and they have access to other vehicles that they can use to assess whether or not you may have a criminal background or maybe doing something that is illegal. So in some cases with immigration benefits, you will have officers do neighborhood checks, talk to people, go to the addresses that you have listed, etc. What I tell everyone is that while immigration may not go to this extent in any particular case, they have the capability to do so. So the number one thing I tell everyone to never do, because generally when people ask me this question, they're worried about something showing up and hiding something. My number one advice is don't hide anything. Don't think that you can get away with it, because what'll happen is years later, if it's somehow found out, the agency can reopen your case and take your immigration benefits. So they can take your permanent residence. If you've lied about something materially, they could even take your U.S. citizenship, although that's much rarer. But the bottom line is, if you've got something that you're worried about in your criminal sort of history, it's better to disclose, address, explain how it doesn't prevent you from an immigration benefit, rather than hiding it and hoping that the agency does not find it. If you have something like this that you're worried about, I would develop a strong plan before jumping into a filing. I wouldn't just brush this off. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to record more videos like this. Thank you.